All right, so I have been using this DW E6423 for a couple of years now, and just recently it started dying on me while I'm using it. And let's see, I turned it on and it won't even turn on, and sometimes I have to hit it a little bit just to get it to run. And another thing I noticed is inside the vent here, you can see a lot of sparks when it's running. Let's see if I can replicate that real quick. So yeah, so there's a lot of sparks going on in there. So I figured it's likely the brushes, so I went ahead and ordered some replacement brushes online on Amazon. And today I'm just gonna open it up and replace the brushes and see how that goes. I should probably unplug it before I go any further. Not trying to get shot today. There you go. All right, so it looks like there are two of them. There's one here. Let's see if it comes out. And another one right here. So these are the two brushes that we're going to replace today.
First time I recorded this, I realized the camera was not positioned properly since my hand was in the way the whole time. So I gave it a second shot just so that you're able to see the disassembly and reassembly process more clearly.
All right, the side with the tab is at the bottom, so I'm going to reinstall those pretty quickly. I find it easier to put the plug in first, but it really doesn't matter. And I'm gonna use this to push the plugs in, since my fingers are too fat to fit in again. Side with the tab goes in the bottom. Plug in first is, in my opinion, easier, especially on that side. Tab. Oh. Here we go. All right, let's turn it back on and see how we did. I'm just gonna keep it this way just in case I left it running. At least I didn't leave it running. All right, moment of truth. It's working like new. Well, hopefully that helps somebody. Just replace those two brushes. I think it was a $15 for 4, so I got 2 more for next time.